Hey, it's Andrew Lamb here, owner of the Andrew Lamb Real Estate Team, and this is your reminder that tomorrow, March 22nd, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., we are having our Spring Cleaning Sweepstakes. You are going to be able to enter to win a free house cleaning, a deep cleaning of your home since we are here. It is spring now. And also, in addition to that, the bonus is you get a gift basket worth about $500 from local Vacaville businesses. So some of those items will include, I'll give you a rundown, a gift card from Hank and Hazel's, which is a great restaurant close to downtown Vacaville, 2 cases of craft beer from Sonoma Springs Brewing, which has an awesome tap room in downtown Vacaville, a 3-month pass to Maximum Fitness, a 60-minute massage from Massage Envy, an $80 gift certificate from Stim's Florist. So tons of value in this gift basket that you can use on yourself or on a loved one. And we're really excited to talk with you tomorrow. Just give us a call. That's all you have to do to enter. That is 707-500-0500. That's the number. Again, 707-500-0500. We'll talk to you soon, and we're excited for you to win.